This is the School of Healthy Living. Today, we will talk about one of the most common challenges we face when trying to improve our health, starting a healthy diet habit. But don't worry, I've got some fantastic tips for you. The last bonus tip will surprise you. The fundamental scientific foundation is that there is overwhelming evidence that switching to predominantly plant-based diet is the most critical lifestyle change you can make for healthy living. So here we are. Tip number 1. Make a plan and set realistic goals. Start by understanding your motivations for eating healthy. Setting clear goals will keep you focused and motivated, whether it's to boost energy, control blood sugar and type 2 diabetes, lose weight, reducing complications from chronic illness, or simply feel better. Tip number 2. Stock up on healthy foods. Fill your pantry and fridge with nutritious options like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins. When desired food types and options are readily available, it increases motivation to make better choices. Tip number 3. Take some time each week to plan your meals and prepare ingredients for some meals. It is not only time-saving, but also helps you make healthier choices when you're busy or tired. If you can, cut ingredients and putting them at the fridge door. The brain feels the urge to complete what it started. Tip number 4. Eat mindfully. Slow down, savor each bite, and heed your body's hunger and fullness signals. Eating mindfully allows you to enjoy your food and prevents overeating. Remember to drink water. It may be great if you sip water in between multiple bites. Tip number 5. Always find healthy alternatives for your favorite indulgences. Cravings are natural, but you can make healthier choices. Swap sugary snacks for fruits or healthy nuts mixed with nibbling of cut apples and blackberries, which are packed with healthy phytoproteins, omega-6 fatty acids, and antioxidants. You'll be pleasantly surprised by how mouth-watering and satisfying these alternatives can be. Bonus tip: I incorporate smoothies into your roux. They're a great way to pack in nutrients and can be customized to your taste. Experiment with different combinations of fruits, vegetables, and proteins to find your favorite blend. And there you have it, 5 tips plus a bonus tip to help you start a healthy diet habit. Remember, it's all about making small, sustainable changes that add up over time. So, stay committed, be kind to yourself, and enjoy the journey to a healthier you. Don't forget to click on the link on our profile to learn more. Click on the subscribe button and notification button so we notify you of even more tips.